Good morning, ABR Market Watch viewers. Let's dive right into the market trends of the day. The rally we've seen might not signal a renewed optimism for Nifty to surpass June highs, according to Rahul Ghose, founder and CEO of Octanom Tech and Hedged. The overall mood remains sideways with no clear direction, but a close above 25,000 should be closely monitored if the rally persists. For trading in October, it's recommended to navigate this sideways market with quick in quick out strategies, focusing on levels around 24,950 to 25,000 for short trades and 24,400 to 24,440 for long. Bank Nifty has shown a bullish pattern but is trading within a triangle formation, with potential to reach 57,000 if the breakout happens. Otherwise, it will continue in the 55,800 to 54,800 range. Tata Motors staged a strong single-day rally due to its demerger, positioning it for further growth. However, it's recommended to wait for levels above 745 rupees before entering. Meanwhile, Sammaan Capital and Netweb Technologies have shown signs of overbought conditions after significant rallies. Investors should wait for a pullback in Sammaan Capital towards rupees 150 to 155, and in Netweb Technologies, it's best to avoid due to elevated valuations. In terms of top picks for October, Kotak Mahindra Bank and L&T Finance are suggested. Kotak is a buy at current prices, while L&T Finance can be considered as a buy on pullback candidate. The Nifty Auto and Metal indices are expected to continue their upward trend. The Nifty Auto Index could reach 35,000 to 36,000, and the Nifty Metal Index might break out above 10,320 to levels with global commodity cues, renewed capex, and steady Chinese demand recovery supporting this growth. India's equity benchmarks are projected to open higher tomorrow, marking an end to their 8-session losing streak. This optimism is largely due to the RBI's dovish stance on easing rules for lending and bolstering bank lending. Analysts attribute this boosted sentiment to the RBI's plans to increase lending limits against shares and reduce risk weights for non-bank lenders in infrastructure projects. Domestic institutional investors remain net buyers, while foreign institutional investors continue as net sellers. Meanwhile, WeWork India Management's 30 billion rupee IPO will be launched later today, with notable financial improvements reported by CSB Bank, PTC Industries, PC Jeweler, and Nuvama Wealth in their recent quarters. Always remember to consult certified experts before making investment decisions, as these views expressed on moneycontrol.com are personal opinions and not the website's or its management's advice. Stay tuned for more market updates here at ABR Market Watch.